Hello friends, welcome to my channel Study Supreme. If you are new to this channel, please subscribe for skill enhancement in your career. In this video, we will discuss about how to access store variable value outside the then functions, the then method. So as we know, we are not able to access the value outside the then method. So today we will learn about how to access outside the then methods with help of the alias. So before that we will cover this topic also, what is the use of alias and how to access. Okay, so when you want to create the alias, we have a function as function. Inside that we are giving the any value. Okay, any name will give. Okay, that is like we have to define like this way. Okay, then only we can say like that is alias for the any selector elements. Okay, yeah, any text. Okay, so for this alias we want to access, we have two ways. Okay, first is like if element, if we are accessing for element. Okay, then we have to use like cy dot get. We can use like at the rate name. Here we name is there, we can define the name. Okay, like that way. Sorry. Okay, like this way, like this. Sorry, something is there, double quotation came. Okay, now is correct. Okay, like this. Okay, and when we want to access, when we want to access any text or value from then method, we need to use this dot, whatever the text is there, that one. Okay, so we have to use. Now you have to understand about the what is the difference between the both. Okay, like at the rate name is there and one is this dot name is there. So this difference is that this dot name, when test case will start, only it is stored the value once. Like when test cases start, it will you let the value store in once in this. Okay, this dot name. But here at the rate name is there. In this case, like evaluating every test case, like steps are there. It block is there. Okay, suppose one test case we have a multiple it blocks, so it will not read the value from another it blocks, because separate blocks are there and separate test case is there. So in that case it will be not, but it's only once it is there, it may be the it block. So also we can access outside that it block also. Let's discuss about that in coding part. Okay, we'll go to that VS Code, and this is like it to be folder. We'll create one test case. We can say alias concept test. Okay, .cy.js. Make sure this is like good way to understand about this is very important topics, and it is very good. Once you will get to know how to access the values with use of alias, then you can use in your project also. Okay, so this is a describe block, and we can say alias concept test case. Okay, and we can say okay, and now we will use it block. Okay, before using it block we can use the before. Okay, so before each we can use. Okay, this dot before is not the before each should be there. Okay, 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 I want to say like this is okay. We can fat arrow also we can use, and this function also you can use. Both are same only. You can use anything. Okay, I'm using the functions. So this also you can see we can use the function. Okay, this is also same meaning of that. And if you are using like this also, okay, this also same. There is no issues. Okay. Got it? So now in this test case, we will use the function, so we will get to know about that it is working or not. When an issue will come, we will face that issue, then we will resolve the issue also. Okay, cy dot widget arrow command. Okay, this is a widget command, and this is less. Okay, now URL is it will launch. Okay, now we'll start about that alias. Okay, alias concept. Okay. Okay, fine. So now we will run the test case. No, we will go to the website. This is our website, and we can think about that login button is there. We can take the login button alias. Okay, right click on this website, go to the inspect, and we can take this selector of that. You can see two selectors are there in that, so we can use that as we last videos we already covered how to select the multiple if you found the multiple selector on the web page, how to handle that. Okay, cy dot get, we use this selector. Okay, dot, this is the first we have to do, because first because multiple selectors are there, we are using the first, because is if we are coming in the first see first is highlighting. See, first is highlighting, so you can use the first dot. Now actual concept will come from here. Okay, that as alias. Okay, you can give the any name like login button. Login button. That's it. This is the alias we started here. Okay, this is alias, and before it, now you can start the it block and access reading. Yeah, not reading. Okay, alias usage through at the rate alias name. Okay, I give like this way, and we can give the functions. Okay, fine. So now suppose we want to validate anything. So this is our alias name. We can copy this alias name. We can go cy dot. If we want to use this thing, cy dot get. Okay, here we can give at the rate, I said at the rate and name dot. We can use the should command. Now first one we are doing like this, b dot visible. So first we are checking this button is there available or not. It's available, then we are checking the button is visible or not correctly. Okay, first it block. Second it block, like that we can use like click on the buttons. Okay, click on the button, like functionality different will be there. Okay, okay, assertion, you can give here assertions, and here click operations, click function, click you can say like perform, click operation you can say. Okay, like that. So now we'll see we are not using here anything, like you can see here we are not using, right? We are using the alias. This is the alias, and we can use anywhere in your test case. Okay, in that file multiple it blocks. Let's we start that Cypress, npm Cypress open. We'll see it is working or not. Okay, it's loading and eTui, select the eTui. Now open the browser. Okay, and our test case name is alias. Okay, this is our test case. We will start the test case now. uh, your tests are loading, just wait for that. Okay, first test case, launching the browser and navigate to the URLs. Okay, second one, again visiting, and a session they are checking for the click button. Okay, and the click operation they did is going to the next page. Okay, now you can see when you want to see the logs, and you can see in before each we are taking the alias. See, alias as at the rate login button is alias, and here we are using the alias. See, found and alias for this button, and we are checking this button is visible or not. Okay, second one, again we have to go and check test case, and we can see here alias found and click on the alias. So this is the like workflow to access alias. Now we will read the value, we will access value from then method. So we will take this describe block is there. We'll copy the describe block. We'll get another describe block here. Okay. So we are creating another describe block, and we can say like access access value outside then method then method then method test case. Okay, so this thing is not required for us now. Okay, we'll remove whatever things is not required. This also, this one. Okay, now we will check the particular website. This is our website, and here we want to check like start playing in their second buttons. This button we will take. We can take like start playing. Okay, we can take this start playing, and you can see the start playing is three times. Three times is there. Okay, we will take the copy paste this one, and we can use that instead of cy.get, we can use cy.contain. Okay, this is the content, and you want to read that value any text, then we have to use the then function. Always we have to use the then function. Okay, this is the then function. Okay, and we can keep like read txt text, create the function of that. Now function is created, and we want to take the read value, read text. Is there our function to find the text. Okay, constant text. As you know, this is like we are. This is just we store the values here. Now we have to wrap the value and we store in that any alias. Okay, so how to the cy.wrap is the command. Wrap is our command, and here we can give text and dot h, and you can give that what is the value of that. Like you can say this is a start playing, so you can mention start playing. Okay, this is a horizontal alias name. And if you want to access these things, okay, and you can mention alias name and alias through this operation. You will mention like this dot alias. Okay, so here you can use like cy dot cy dot log. Okay, we will print that. So we'll go to the mention access outside the then method. Okay, plus I said this dot, we have to use this one. Okay, start playing. This name, alias name. This would be the same name, otherwise it will not work correct. Okay, this is name. Now we check the run the test case. The test case is running. First related to that we are accessing related to the element at the right element. You can see the alias name is there. And second test case is which is related, we are reading the value stored in the variables. You can see first one we are getting the value and we are getting the alias of that. And same alias we are accessing outside the it block, and you can see here this is that. Okay, it says outside the then method start playing. You can keep the assertion also if you require any assertions. Okay, so I will show you the assertion like how to keep the assertions. Keep the it block like if like this dot, what is the name of that, start playing. You can give any assertion is required to you, then it will be like assertion only, and you can keep here playing start playing in the text of that. Okay, and you can create the block. You can so you can check that the text is whatever text is there, that is correct or not, and it's working perfectly or not. Okay, this is the process which is related to that. We can access any text from outside that then method with help of this dot alias name, and here also we mention alias name, this dot alias name. Okay.
Thank you for watching my video. Don't forget to like and subscribe to the channel so you won't miss any new videos.